Real quick video how to check for an exhaust leak. Got a shop vac running into the tailpipe. Coming around to the front, got soapy water. So we've got the air coming in through the tailpipe. There's just some Dawn dish soap, and there you will see that's the Y pipe, and this is the flex pipe. So you could replace just this. This is about $20 at AutoZone. You can weld it on. Some guys JB weld it. Mine's actually really bad from the back, really rusted up front here pretty bad, so I'm going to replace the whole unit for $200. Hopefully that helps.